In this video, I am gonna show you how to make a delicious, warming, golden turmeric drink that's great for anti-inflammation if you struggle with any gut issues too. And it's also from my new book, which is a plant-based recipe book called Simple Green Meals. So I hope you enjoy it and make sure to follow along to get exactly how I do it. The first thing we're gonna do is take all of our ingredients and add them to a saucepan and warm them up. So that is requiring us to do 1 cup of coconut milk. We're using full fat coconut milk because healthy fats are the bomb and you want as many of them in your life as you can. You can also use low fat coconut milk if you prefer. We are going to add in some coconut oil. The coconut oil is a way to help boost the benefits that happen when you combine the turmeric and the pepper together, so you don't want to miss out on this. You can also use MCT oil if you have that on hand. All right, now we are going to get the turmeric, which is ground, also the cinnamon, the pepper, and some fresh grated ginger. If you do not have fresh grated ginger, you can use ground ginger as well. And the last thing is the sweetener. We are using 1 tablespoon of raw honey for this recipe. Now that we have everything in the pot, we are gonna put it over low heat and slowly heat it up. You do not want this to boil, you just want it to warm so that you can drink a warm beverage. Now we're gonna add it carefully to our blender. I'm gonna put a towel on top of the blender just in case some of the hot liquid comes out the top. This is just a safety precaution. And then blend on low when you start, and then you can work your way up. Carefully pour it into your mug. Look at that golden deliciousness. And I'm even gonna add some grated fresh cinnamon on top. All right, and this is the golden turmeric milk. It's so good. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. And if you want the full recipe, go down to the description and you'll find the blog post link in there. If you'd like more of these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Simple Green Smoothies. Also give this video a thumbs up to help us out, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions as well. All right, have a good night. Bye.